So I'm going now you have says that before. Now I'm going to show you the unit second experiment conditional state using the shell program. So I want to use my looping condition states using the shell program. So first question is that greatest of three numbers. So let me show my shell script program for that. So this is my program shell script program for the greatest three number. Let me first you can able to see the echo command, which has the input from the user as asking for the enter the first number, second number, and third number, and here's the loop condition. So if the first is greater than the second means, then the then again the first is greater than the third means, then the echo as first is the greatest number. So first is greater than the second and third means I should echo as first is the greater number, and same condition goes for the second and third. So let me show you the output for that. So first number, let me put 4, 5 and 8. So 8 is the greatest number, you can able to see that. So and the next exercise is student grade calculation. So student grade calculation I won't able to show you. So let me take the program from that. So vi grades. So this is a program for that. So it is basically the same program getting the input from the user by using the echo and rate command, and after this is the condition for getting the total of the each marks of the person and taking the average from the for the mark, and also displaying the every details about the student name, student register number, total, average, and by comparing with the first mark is greater than 35 means what, and the second mark is greater than 35 means what, means the result will be passed. If that is not means the result will be fail. And same if the average goes below the is greater than 90 means it is S, and if the average is greater than 80 means it's A, if it is greater than 70 means B. Same condition program you can able to say. If it is not equal to any of this condition means it will be failed. So let me run the program. So enter the name of the student, let me write Gopi, and register number 157. Enter the mark, let me put 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. You can able to see the student data, student name, register number, and the total, and the average, and also result, and the grade, what is the grade for it. Let me go for the third program. So third program is the electricity bill calculator. So I should be able to show you the electricity bill calculator. So let me show the program, right, shell program for that. Electricity. So this is a program for that. First I have to get the input from the users by using the echo and rate command, and again if I go and check the condition, if the unit is greater than 0 means the charge will be 40, else if it is going to be greater than 0 and the unit is less than 100 means then the charge will equal to the experiment by 1 divided by 1. So it will calculate the charge and the unit as per the enter name and also the details of the person. So let me run the program first. So enter the name, again Gopi, and enter the meter number, let me put as 50. Enter the current month reading, so current month reading will be 60, and at the last month reading that will be around 15 again. So we can able to see the meter number, last current reading, and the last month, and the unit and charge for what is the unit and charge for that. And the third export experiment is if an given alphabet is vowel or consonant. So I have to type given alphabet is vowel or consonant. So right, let me show the program. This is the program. Here you can able to see the enter the alphabet, read the word. If echo, if the word is around this AE IOU means where the word will be converted into character. So character generator again into the word. So you can able to see, other than this AEIO, there are a bunch of strings over here. If that means it will be vowel, it will show the vowel and it will show the content. So let me type it. So let me run the program. So enter the alphabet. Let me write as apple. So can you able to see, in the apple there are 2 vowels and 3 consonant, and the last experiment is palindrome of a number. So I should type the palindrome of the number. So palindrome. So this is the program for the palindrome. So in the palindrome, it is basically like it should in the reverse also, in left to right and the right to left. If I read the line, it should be the same. So it is, I'm using a reverse stack inside that, so that I can able to reverse the number whatever I'm giving right now and checking whether it's a palindrome or not. So let me run the program and show you. So sh palindrome. So enter the number of that, 001. So the given number is palindrome. Let me show for if it's not a palindrome, 117. So the given number is not a palindrome. So that's it for the second experiment. Thank you, sir.